Hi, my name is Gwen Horrocks, and I will be walking you through my implementation of a UX for the open source library called Openclean that was presented and created for a demo. So currently I have it open on a Google Colab. This is my Jupyter notebook and what it looks like and all the code that I wrote. So now I will be walking you through the GUI and the widgets. So as you can see, you can input any file path you want. This is just something that I upload, or a messy file that I found on Craggle, and it is just right there. And so if it finds the file, it'll let you preview it. If not, it says file not found. So the first thing I can do is preview the data, and it'll show the first 10 rows and kind of give the user an idea of what the column names are and what kind of data they're looking at without having to load all the file in. So the second thing you can do is you can write in the whatever column you would like and create a profile for that specific column. And this will include how many rows there are, how many are empty, how many are distinct, the uniqueness score, and the entropy score, which then a data scientist or a user can assess the quality of the data and see what they have to do next to clean it. You will also be able to see the minimum and maximum for every data type in the row. So for example, there's a -100, which probably shouldn't be there because it's a price, and there are strings, so we know that the data types are not uniform. So this gives insight to the profile and what could be done. So since I wanted there to be everyone to be able to upload their own files, I implemented some very simple data cleaning methods that would work on every single file that is presented, such as deleting null rows if you enter in a column name. So let's just do a price. Now it says that null values in the price column were deleted. Now I can also remove duplicates, and I can rename columns to have more conformed and uniform names for future use. So you rename the column. Now if I go back to the preview data, you can see that this was updated and this was no longer found. And not only that, when I repeat this data profile, you can see there's 0 empty and it went down. So the final thing that was implemented was a save file. So now if I put clean data, it'll save my file, and since it's a very simple cleaning data service, I can then use this file to branch off and do more specific and tailor data cleaning to that specific file. So that is where you would find it, and thank you so much for listening to me. This is my implementation of the demo, Openclean.